Anyway, we're always walking through this place anyways. The G's not that, it's not that big. Ah, that's what she said. Ah, jeez, okay. Alright everybody, we are walking to the D. Just gonna walk over and we're going to walk counterclockwise through here so you can see all the games. Yeah. Excuse me. Well, thank you. Copyright music for everybody to hear. Yes. So yeah, yesterday I was walking through here with my GoPro mounted on my backpack, and they just straight up said, "Put that away." So I'm trying to do a very conspicuous walkthrough here with my Insta360 Go. I don't know if you've seen my previous walkthroughs, but I got it mounted on the bottom of my Starbucks cup. So if you see my finger or you see me blocking the camera, that means they're walking over by me. So hey, anyways, gotta do this for you guys to watch. So you can see. I'll try to walk slow. It is Friday morning, about 10 a.m. And all aboard. We got the music cranked in here. That's crazy. And I'll try to walk slow so y'all can see. Yeah, they have a lot of security walking around. A lot. Anyways, just the camera. What harm am I going to do, right? Yeah. Well, I'm going to have to block out the background music because of the copyright. So you might not hear anything but me talking once in a while. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, table games in the middle here. Yesterday I came over here and put $30 on odd, and then I actually hit green 0. It was horrible. Yeah, you see everybody walking around, all security. It's amazing, man. So we got this place like. Yeah. So I apologize if you see my thumb or my finger. Yeah. Here we go. There's the bar. Club 1 over here. Right. Over here is a coffee stand on the left-hand side. Got all these there. Crazy money. The D shops. So this must be where the hotel entrance is. Over here. Yeah. Hotel entrance. Hotel check-in. Here's the Game Kings. I'm gonna walk back out. Covering the camera. There we go. There's a lot of security here. Damn it. Anyway, we're almost walking through this place anyways. Geez, not that big. Ah, that's what she said. Geez, okay. There's your table games. That's it. That's the D. Oh, hopefully my finger didn't smear the camera. Anyways, that's the D. On to the next casino. Let's take a walk out to Fremont Street. Hold on a second here. There we go. Clean the camera so you can see where I'm walking. There's Fremont Casino. I don't think I walked through there yet. Where to next? Four Queens or Fremont? Alright, let's check out Fremont.